Bardeen AI not working, yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when your automations suddenly stop. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, refresh your browser. I mean, sometimes Bardeen just needs a simple reload to start working again. Next, make sure the Bardeen extension is enabled. Yeah, if it's turned off, nothing will run at all. Now, check your connected apps and reconnect them if needed. I mean, broken integrations can stop automations from working properly. Okay, make sure your internet connection is stable. Bardeen relies on a working connection to function. Next, update your browser and the extension. Yeah, outdated versions can cause bugs or compatibility issues. If you have other extensions installed, try disabling them. I mean, some extensions can conflict with Bardeen. Also, clear your browser cache. Corrupted data can break features and cause errors. After that, restart your browser completely. Yeah, this helps refresh everything and fix temporary issues. If it's still not working, reinstall Bardeen. I mean, this resets everything and fixes deeper problems. So yeah, that's how you fix Bardeen AI not working. One of these steps should get your automations running again. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.